If you are selling products online, partnership ads could be really beneficial for your business. This is basically collaborating with influencers where you are running ads through their profiles. So it's pretty much a win-win situation because they are getting more reach, more followers, and you are getting better social proof because your products are being advertised under their social account. I just talked to ChatGPT today, and this is the tutorial that we sent to one of the influencers today. This is basically on how they can create and send us a code, a collaborator code to set up the ads, because this is something we use for the challenge. So if you haven't seen it yet, I have a 30-day challenge running, scaling a brand from 6K a day to 10K a day. And as part of this, we are also using partnership ads. So once you are in the ad account, you basically just need to set up a new ad, name it. I like to do ad video partnership ad. And at the end, in brackets, I like to have the post code. Now you need to select ads. Once you turn it on, you need to enter ad code or post info. And you can just paste what you received from the influencer. So here's the influencer video. We are selling lifting bands, so it's a fitness video. It goes super well for our brand. And then for the second identity, you need to choose the Facebook page that's going to be partnering with the influencer, so it's going to be your brand. Once it's selected, you can just click done and continue setting up the ads. If you scroll down, you have to add the call to action button. In our case, this is shop now, and you also have to add a website URL, which is going to the product page that's advertised in the video. And basically that's the setup that you need to know about partnership ads. These are a super powerful tool. We are moving towards more and more UGC content, and I think this partnership content is better than just running a UGC content under your account, because I feel like it's more natural and it gives you better social